If you're seeing the message content failed to load on ChatGPT, don't worry, this is usually a simple issue, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This works whether the problem is caused by a temporary browser glitch, a weak internet connection, cached data, or a quick session error. So if ChatGPT is not loading your conversation properly, stay with me and follow these fixes in order. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest fix is to simply refresh the page. Open ChatGPT and use the refresh button in your browser. In many cases, the content failed to load error is just a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is enough to bring the chat back. If the page still does not load correctly, try opening the conversation again or switching to a different chat to see whether the issue is only happening in one thread. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons ChatGPT content fails to load. Make sure you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or reliable mobile data. If your internet is slow, try reconnecting to the network, restarting your router, or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data for a moment. A stable connection can make a big difference when ChatGPT is trying to load responses or conversation history. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with how ChatGPT loads content. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into ChatGPT. If you do not want to clear everything, you can also test ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. This helps you see whether the issue is being caused by browser data already stored on your device. Another very effective fix is to log out and log back in again. Sometimes your ChatGPT session can expire or get stuck, which can lead to the content failed to load message. Sign out of your account completely, then log back in using the same account you normally use. Once you are back in, reload the chat and check whether the conversation appears correctly. This simple reset often fixes loading problems caused by temporary account session issues. If you are still having trouble after that, try closing all browser tabs related to ChatGPT and opening it again in a fresh tab. You can also try a different browser altogether, such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, because sometimes the issue is browser specific. And if the problem only happens on one device, test it on another device to see if the issue follows your account or stays on the original device. For some users, extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers can also interfere with ChatGPT loading properly. If the error continues, try disabling browser extensions one by one and then refresh the page again. This can help you identify whether an extension is blocking part of the ChatGPT interface from loading. So to quickly recap, if ChatGPT says content failed to load, start by refreshing the page, then check your internet connection, clear your caches and cookies, or use Incognito Mode, and finally log out and log back in before reloading the chat. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get ChatGPT working again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT and tech troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.